Chaired by the Honorable Chief Justice of the Republic of the Gambia, the General Legal Council, established under the Legal Practitioners Act, officially enrolled 27 legal practitioners on Thursday. These newly enrolled members of the bar have successfully completed years of rigorous academic and vocational training. Prior to their enrollment, the General Legal Council of the Gambia thoroughly assessed their qualifications. The General Legal Council is mandated to regulate the legal profession in general, including admission to legal practice, the maintenance of professional conduct standards, and the provision of legal education in the Gambia. The Honorable Chief Justice of the Gambia and Chairman of the General Legal Council, Hassan B. Jallow, emphasized two essential aspects that the newly enrolled legal practitioners must focus on to achieve success in their legal careers.
Two things are required of you if you are to be successful. At least two things are required of you. One is you must dedicate yourselves to a lifetime of hard and diligent and competent work. You must continue, as they say, to burn the midnight candle, to work while others sleep or rest if you wish to be successful, and to learn more of the law. You haven't finished. You will never finish learning the law, knowing the law. We don't finish knowing the law. You must continue to search for more knowledge on the law, and also from the experience of your seniors, learn more from them about practice.
The Honorable Chief Justice further urged the new members of the bar to safeguard the integrity of the legal profession.
You must remember first that as legal practitioners, you need to uphold the dignity of the profession by your conduct, by your behavior, by your actions, by your words. That secondly, you are all officers of the court, and you must assist the court, not mislead the courts, not misguide the courts. You must assist the courts in their search for truth and in their search for justice.
The president of the Gambia Bar Association, Salih Tal, expresses optimism that the newly added members to the association will collaborate with them in ensuring the preservation of the rule of law within the country.
Your actions as legal practitioners echo and impact beyond individual cases and indeed have wider positive societal ramifications. With humility, it is fair to state that from 2017 to date, the Gambian legal practitioners have been contributing to the rebuilding of the rule of law institutions in this country, rebuilding the rule of law culture and respect for human rights and fundamental rights of individuals in this country. I trust you will continue on that trajectory.
The Solicitor General and Legal Secretary at the Attorney General's Chambers and the Ministry of Justice, Mr. Usainu Tamasi, encouraged the recent additions to the bar to exercise responsibility in their social media interactions and refrain from making comments on cases currently before the courts.
My learned and distinguished brother, the President of the Gambia Bar Association, has underscored the importance of technology in our work. He has also mentioned about social media. I just want to record and underline his concerns. As ambassadors of this noble profession, it will do you well to preserve its integrity and refrain from engaging in immoral, wrongful behavior and degrading or insulting banter on social media platforms. As lawyers, you should desist from that practice. And remember, as contained under the rules, under the code of conduct, never ever discuss a matter that is sub judice. You should have that always at the back of their minds, of your minds.
In his address, Lamin Mdiba, representing the newly enrolled legal practitioners, pledged their commitment to upholding truth and justice.
Distinguished guests, it is said that the best and most beautiful things in this world cannot be seen or even touched. They rather must be felt by the heart. I cannot prevail upon you with words and express what we feel in this moment in time. I can, however, express our profound gratitude for the trust, privilege bestowed upon us. now that we are ministers in the temple of justice and officers of the court. With the vows we have just taken, we will join the ranks of seniors before us in upholding truth and justice. I must confess, I am running out of words to express our humble thanks. The duty I am tasked with today is not a simple one. We cannot possibly garner the words to express our gratitude.
One of the key responsibilities of the General Legal Council was to create a school of law in the Gambia and serve as the governing authority for that institution. In 2011, the council successfully founded the Gambia Law School. Additionally, according to Section 26, subsection 1 of the Legal Practitioners Act 2016, the General Legal Council is entrusted with the authority to organize a legal education system, determine the subjects of examination required for enrollment, establish the curriculum for students' institution, and oversee students' admission among other responsibilities. Reporting for Kirfatu, I am Buba Gajigo.